Hey y'all, welcome back. Alright, it's been a little bit over a month and my bitters recipe is all ready to go. So I wanted to just bring you along. I'm just going to pour it out into a Pyrex dish that has a pour, so it's easier to put in the jar when it's all done. And then I've got a sieve. I started this August 15th. It smells good. Oh my. Well, while I get this out of here, let's take you back a little bit and just quickly show you what I put in here. I'll be sure and leave the link below if you want to see the whole video. The recipe I had, it just went through the list and I just watched it and there really wasn't much measurement, so it didn't have peppermint, so I added about a cup of my peppermint, and then I did about a half a cup of my orange peel that I did the other day, and the recipe had 7 cinnamon sticks, so that's what I did. Okay, now you're up to date. Alright. You gotta keep looking over there to see if it shut down. Okay, then it's star anise, and these are about 3 of them in, so I have not tasted these in a recipe, so I didn't put too many. It's, woo, they're strong. Cloves, and she really didn't show the cloves. I'm just gonna put about that many in, maybe. If you have bread that it can get strong. And then black pepper, and again she didn't show how much black pepper, so I'm just gonna do a little bit. Okay. Cloves, black pepper, and ginger. So I had some ginger, and it said to cut them up so it gets a chance for the liquor to get all down in there. Sorry. So that's 2 little handfuls. On the ginger, she didn't show that either. So okay. It's pretty. Alright, so really the only thing I added was the peppermint. Alright. My digestion is not the best, so that's why I'm doing this. Everything I've read and watched talks about the cleansing of the liver and
cleaning out your system, and being over 60, it's probably about time I get cleansed out, right? Well, might as well finish it off. I think I'm going to add some more peppermint. I like peppermint. The other stuff, I'm not too sure about what to add. Since I got a bunch of it. Everything else I added about the amount that I should, according to what she made. So this is the only thing I'm adding extra. Four to 6 weeks. I'm gonna shake it every day. And we'll see how it does. This one's handy, so. It's a pretty color. I guess the cinnamon. There we go. Oh, that's pretty. That's just temporary because I want to put it in a brown jar. See if we can't get all this out of here. I'll probably let it sit for a little bit, just drain out. I got a lot of stuff to do today, so it smells really good. Probably the cinnamon, I would guess. I'm gonna make a mess. Does that surprise anybody? Okay, this will just get washed out. Alright, I'll bring you back to figure out how much I ended up with out of this whole quart jar. This is what I started with. Okay, this is 1.5 cups. I'm not sure what will fit in the jar, so we're just gonna cup. So it looks like a cup. Oh, I don't want to spill it. I didn't want to waste it. One and a half cups again. So 3 cups. So I should get 3 bottles. That should last me a while since I'm the only one that'll be taking it. Thought it might help with my digestive issues that I have. Be tight. 1 cup. Alright. Almost. Might have overfilled some. I will mark these. I'm not really sure why that's not fitting. There we go. Alright. 3 jars. And I'll mark them what it is and put a date on it. But now I've got more or less 3 cups. And I'm just gonna, I bought this little sprayer. I'm just gonna spray it in my mouth before meals. Picked it up at a herb store here in the area. I'm just gonna carry this with me, so we'll see how this works. I'll let you guys know. Thanks for following.